Should people continuously change? How do we navigate change? So, you know how a caterpillar changes into a butterfly? Because a butterfly is more special and unique. That's why the caterpillar changes. Greetings everyone, I'm 𝑭𝒂𝒎'𝒔 from 7A. And today I would like to talk about the topic, embracing change. The courage of rewriting your story. So, imagine a world where a shy, bully teenager grew up to inspire millions, where a man who failed in school became history's greatest scientist, where a girl was shot just because she wanted education. These are not fairy tales, they're real stories, and they all share one thing, and that is that they all embrace change. So Malala Yousafzai, well, she was shot at 15 years old by a tourist because she dared to go to school. Most people would have given up, but she didn't. She turned the pain into power. And she said that one child, one teacher, one book, and one pen can change the entire world. She fought for girls' rights, spoke at the UN, and became the youngest Nobel Prize winner. Change didn't break her, it ignited her. Albert Einstein. Well, when he was a student, he was really bad at math. Teachers used to call him lazy, but he didn't let labels define him. He reshaped science forever, and he changed the way he saw the world. His secret? The measure of intelligence is the ability to change. Change is like fire. Fire burns. We need fire to cook food, to light lanterns. So without fire, there's no progress. Without change, there's no you. Why does change matter? Change is survival. Polar bears swim further as the ice melts just to get food. They're adapting. So should we. Change is growth. Caterpillars don't scream, "I hate this cocoon." No, they change into butterflies. Change is freedom. So, Nelson Mandela was in prison for 27 years. Once he was released, he did not seek revenge. He changed a nation. You might think it's impossible until it's done. You don't need to be like Malala or like Einstein. Start small. Change "I can't" into "I'll try." And don't fear, be curious instead. New school, new friends, or a new team? Think, what can I learn here? Write down your stories. So, for example, this tree might seem strong, rooted, and unchanging, but that's just how it seems. So even the biggest and strongest trees face storms, weathers, and seasons. And to thrive, they have to transform. They make something creative out of their challenges. This paper was once this tree, but it changed. Now we need this to write. Without this piece of paper, we cannot write. And this coal. So this coal was once this tree, but it changed. Now we need this to start a fire. Without this, we can't start a fire. So this tree has changed. And our greatest heroes today were not born brave. They weren't always like this. They choose courage over comfort. So whenever change knocks, whether it's new school, new friends, a lost friend, a dream you're scared of, a new team, or anything, you have to remember, you are the author of your life. Do not make any limits. Instead of that, make chapters. Be the fire, be the butterfly, and most importantly, be unstoppable. Thank you.